Hi, my name is Al Meehan, and this is my 71 Hemi Cuda. I put this together back in 2006. I guess I'm one of the Mopar faithful. I've always wanted one of these cars, and the price of these cars is so out of touch that I just built one. I've got lots of we have lots of other Mopars, and I put this together so I could have some fun with it and not worry about wrecking the good cars. So I'm involved in the Concours in the hills down here at the car show in Fountain Hills. It's one of the best car shows, I think, in the entire country. I was on Midwest Mopar's board of directors up in Minnesota for 8 years. And we put on the third largest all-Mopar show in the country up there, but this show is bigger yet. It doesn't have as many vendors or swap vendors or that kind of thing, but it has more cars more and varied cars. I got to know Peter Valney. He's the person that puts this on. It's an all charity event. Everything goes to Phoenix Children's. Peter's just a heck of a good guy. I got involved in it. It just as a volunteer. Went there as a spectator and then started nosing around because I like car shows. And I know how much work it is to put one on, and so I just got in the middle of it, and Peter had me take over the domestic side of the show as far as management of the ins and the outs and the parking and the vendors and all that kind of thing over there. So that's my little contribution to that show. It's a lot of fun. It's just really a lot of fun. Lots of great cars. The domestic side of that show just overflowed last year. We had tons of Corvettes, tons of Mustangs. It was just a really fun show. So yeah, we'll be there again this year.